I bought 2 brand new hard drives from Best Buy for my network attached storage. One was dead right out of the box. I got a replacement, finally got the system initialized, and the next morning, the second Best Buy drive had died. 2 out of 2 drive failures. Just imagine if those 2 hard drives were holding the only copy of my Utah overlanding trip or my ghost town adventure. Those memories would be gone forever. Today, we are bulletproofing this system so that never happens. After the Best Buy drives failed, I ordered Western Digital Red Plus drives from B&H Photo. Just a heads up, this video is not sponsored and I paid for these drives with my own money. Right now, the NAS is running perfectly on just one of those B&H Photo drives. But today it's time to load up the second drive into the empty bay and finally set up RAID 1. RAID 1 is a digital mirror. If one of those drives fails, the second drive is an exact copy. You're trading half your storage space for total peace of mind, meaning hardware redundancy, so you never lose a step. I'll have 2 8TB drives in the NAS, but with mirroring, 8 plus 8 doesn't equal 16. 8 plus 8 equals 8. I've got the new drive installed in the sled. Now we can slide it into the empty bay in the NAS. No need to shut the system down. This Asustor Lockerstor Gen 2 allows for hot swapping of drives. It'll just take a minute for the NAS to recognize the new hardware. Sometimes the tech fights you. Instead of migrating the drive, I decided the cleanest path was to completely wipe the system. So over on the Mac, we open up the Asustor ADM interface. Starting fresh with a factory reset guarantees we don't carry over any gremlins from the previous setup. We're wiping the slate completely clean. Once the reset finishes, don't just click the quick setup. I chose custom setup to dial this NAS exactly the way my workflow needs it. Inside the storage manager, you can see our heavy lifters, the 2 8TB hard drives for mass storage, plus 2 Samsung 990 Pro NVMe SSDs that will act as high-speed editing cache. Next, we select RAID 1. This is the whole reason we are here, creating that perfect digital mirror so our footage is fully protected against hardware failure. For the file system, I highly recommend selecting BTRFS. It is fantastic for data integrity and protecting your files from corruption. With that set, I'll click Start Initialization. The NAS is now formatting the drives and building the array. It's going to take about 10 hours for the system to synchronize every sector in the background. Once that mirror is locked in, I can set up my folders, drop my iMovie libraries on there, and get back to editing. The NAS is just another piece of gear, like the winch mounted on this Jeep, or a great set of mud terrain tires. It's essential gear that keeps the Muddy Ruttzz operation running smoothly. So how are you backing up your precious videos and photos of your adventures? Let me know down in the comments. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, on Muddy Ruttzz, the best is yet to come. Good.